Well, we have the 2022 Maverick, and we're going to have a look at the interior fuse block. Now it's right down on the floor on the passenger foot area. It's a plastic cover that covers the fuse block here. I'm almost tempted to put a piece of plywood on it because I can see somebody, a passenger, during a panic stop one day, slam on that imaginary brake pedal and put your foot right through this body computer and fuse block. So anyways, this is the body computer and fuse block in one. You can see all the fuses. And then there's a connector right down in the bottom here. It's if you're going to do hardwire like a dash cam or something, usually you need two circuits. One power all the time, you can see with the red one, and one that's switched on with the ignition. So the green one here, see, I turn the ignition switch on, it powers on. I turn it off, it powers back off. So those are two convenient circuits that just happen to be there. And I'll put a little picture on the end of this video to describe the two circuits. But like I said, it's not much of a plastic cover, and it's right where your imaginary brake pedals could be. So I could see somebody putting their foot right through it one day. Just remember, if you're going to tap into these circuits, make sure you fuse them. Otherwise you could cause a world of trouble. And the BJB is the battery junction block. That's the fuse block under the hood.